hold on. Wait a second. What's going on with the S&P 500? Oh, we hit the new all-time high, right? So 7K. And you remember when the genius like Michael Burry, pretend to be the Nostradamus and say, oh, we go into zero, big short. Here the big short, here the big short, here the big short. Here we go into the big depression like in zone 8 and nothing happened. And 4 years, just uptrend. Because this FIB relevant, the previous FIB was relevant, so absolutely everything good with the stock market, guys. Only the BTC is bloody because nobody care about crypto because it's risky assets. Now the people, the big investors invest more in military, right? Stocks. That's where the real money now, unfortunately, in this world, guys. We got like impulse, top, correction, perfectly. 61, signal on the weekly time frame. I showed you in March 2025. Signal, take profit from the short, like here, like it was in the COVID dump. After that, weekly, the buy signal, and we are in the uptrend. This was absolutely the same story. Definitely, I'm more than sure, it's just 100%. We will come back later and close this gap weekly, huge one, like 5K 700 and 5K 678, this one. But it can be now the top, like buy to sell, you know? If you don't know what this model, I'll recommend this setup. Highly recommend to go and check a free tutorial, educational. Or we can hit 0.61 level by FIB 7K 400, and after that, let it here, maybe with a cat bounce and maybe drop to the 4K 500. Maybe this is going to be the bottom. We can't know. Or is, for example, this can be the bottom. So two options, right? But now it's kind of course, too risky to buy this like S&P 500 SPX, right? Or invest or open long, right? Definitely, it's time to step by step fix the profit. And I would like to show you the gold also and the Ethereum at the end. So the take profit and the money power, guys. Here, take profit line now on a weekly. It's not unnecessary, so we will definitely test this line, right? Because the previous top will not test it. But now it's like 8K 233. I don't think so. We're going to hit that top. That's why I think we will stop around or now or 7K 400. And especially before the May, right? Now the money inflow also was here, March 2026. So imagine we trade at the top, but the big investors put the money in, like it was here. That's why I recommend you just use this set and ignore all of this noise in the news, guys. Gold, the same story I showed you on the weekly time frame. It was a sell, drop, and technically I can say we break the structure. We're still in an uptrend, but I don't think so. You know, the big guys will continue invest in the gold. It's possible if we'll see the more wars, you know, the escalation between the United States and Iran. But I hope they will figure out everything, you know, by end of the May, middle of the May, before the Trump and CCP meeting, right? And the people start take profit from the gold and maybe reinvest in the BTC. We will see. Take profit, money power, guys. Here. We go over on the weekly time frame. Imagine we go way over exit line. Now we try hold the line around the take profit line. Buy line for the gold. Of course, it's not unnecessary, so we will test this line on a weekly. Now it's 2K 300. I don't think so. We're going to drop that low, but it's possible. Daily, if we'll see another impulse up, it's going to be here. It's 6K 356. Will the BTC correlate with the gold, or the money will just inflow into gold and outflow from the BTC? Time will show us. We can't know what the big guys have in mind. So now Ethereum, same story, same FIB, same levels. Absolutely, guys, everything the same. We're still in the uptrend, right? The crazy capitulation for the Ethereum. Now everybody waiting that capitulation. You know, that's a big mistake maybe. It's 1K 132 and 847, the low of June 22. We already retested all of these weekly time frame EMAs. That's why now I hope to see the test of 2K 795. So around 3K would be good to see the test. After that, if we will see the chop summer here, it can be something like, I don't know, 3K, for example. I would be not surprised if we're going to hit the 3K 285. And after that, we're going to crash to 1K 700. What's this pattern? Like, it's not a double bottom. It's maybe inverse pattern shoulder. And in this case, we have to go almost to zero. Maybe, but I don't think so. Monthly time frame. If we zoom out, we already retested this one, 100 EMA. So it's more than enough for correction. So we tested here 50 EMA in 722. Here's another support of 50 EMA. Here's a dump in April 725. Hold the line at 100 EMA and retest it again. So if we not hold the line now, after the test of 200, 500, 2K 500, yes, the road can be open to this block. Monthly time frame, this is a hopium. Last time the hopium was here on a monthly, like April, May, June, 25. We pump it, and here all this same period. But of course, we can't, compare the Zone 22 and Zone 26. Now it's not like time to sell Ethereum. The last time to sell was in September 25 on a monthly. What is good, guys? Take a look. EMA we can close. Trade on. What I don't like, we still didn't sell the signal take profit from the sales. It's one take. What I don't like. The next moment, what I like, we see the money inflow like February. February, the big investors buying the Ethereum under 2K. So it's more than comfortable price for them. Here's the accumulation since February till now, with a signal to buy on direction indicator. So it's bullish. Total disbelief, almost depression capitulation like in March 25. Now, it's also bullish. What happened previously when we trade long-term period in this zone, you can see on a chart. Globally, guys, I'm never saying about the 10K for Ethereum. No, my conservative price targets for Ethereum is here. 6K 825 maximum. It's 9K 991. We track this FIB since 2021. So now it's not like time to take the profit from the Ethereum. I guess, of course, I can be wrong. Time to take the profit is going to be here when we will see once again money outflow from the Ethereum on a weekly time frame. Maybe we will see this one by middle of the May. Time will show us. The last indicator, guys, I would like to show that they take profit. Take profit, we already retested here, almost fundamental value, buy line, hold the line now, pretty strong, right? Some altcoins perform. We need to see the BTC dominance on the 55%, and would be good to see that take profit line 3K 845. It's a take profit line. Add alert to the line and wait. The notification is going to be not a mistake to take the profit there. Daily time frame. Locally, most likely will continue rally higher to 2K 926. In this position, everybody's screwing. We're going to the moon, to the 5K, to the 10K. And if it's happening by middle of the May before the CCP meeting with the Trump, I guess it's going to be time to sell. So this is the most realistic scenario, guys, for Ethereum. Yes. Even this one. Break the structure, and after that, in summer, dump on the 2K again. Everybody going in a big short and wrecked again. So, guys, write please in a comment what do you think about Ethereum, gold. Do you think that gold is stopped or not? And what's going on with the S&P 500? And if you'd like to trade as my customer, Chris, I will show it in this video. Just write in the DM. Don't forget, Joe Matego Show. See you next time, guys.